So guys, this is a HP LaserJet 2055 cartridge. So in this video I will show you how to refill this particular cartridge. So as you can see it, this is 2055 cartridge. So as you can see it, you first of all remove the pin by the both sides. That is the pin, you can see it. You use your plier, your pin plier, remove the pin first of all. You remove the pin. As you can see, that is the pin. You just remove it with your pin plier, or you can use cutter as I am using. On the other side, we do the same thing. You can still see the pin. Yeah, that is the pin. You just remove it and you separate the cartridge. That is that. That is it. Then you remove the screw, you unscrew it. You remove the screw, the two of them. After removing the screw, you remove the cover. Remove the cover. You remove the cover. Then there is a white cover by the side of that cartridge. You shake your toner very well. You can see I'm using an original toner to refill it. You remove the cover so that you can be able to pour the toner inside the cartridge. As you can see, I'm removing the cover, the white cover. So on this hole, that is where you will pour the toner. After pouring the toner, you just cover it. You cover it as it was before, as it is before. So after covering it, you go to the other side, that is the waste chamber. This particular one you are holding right now, this particular one is toner side, while the other one is waste side or waste chamber, while this one is toner chamber. I have coupled the toner chamber right now after refilling it.